So Taylor and I have been waiting for the opportunity to clean the shed. So we're waiting for a rain day. So it's finally raining. So we thought, why not get in the shed and give it a clean? Because it is a disgrace. And since Taylor started working here, he struggled to find anything in the shed. So now he'll be able to find it. So this is just a different video, just a bit of a time lapse to show you guys, a bit of a satisfying video to show you guys how the shed looks after giving it a nice clean.
Whatever you want, I'll settle for nothing, as long as we can keep the fire. I'll do whatever you do, follow you anywhere, if our chances are getting brighter. But I want you to know, I can't help but fight this feeling. I want you to try, imagine living without it, so let's go. We're fighting for you, know I'll be standing right next to you, oh.
How much better does it look in here? Like, that is so much nicer. It used to frustrate me every time I walked in here. So I've got the shelves pretty organized with all my product. Need to get myself a nice big like tool cabinet, but that will do for now. That is great. Got my benches, which is nice. That electrical, bro. Seen better days, it's mad old school. And just nice to have clear space on the floor. Need to get some equipment in. We've been using some today. We've been spraying some stuff on the fairways out there. But just nice to have this space, get the irrigation pipe up the top there, which we're actually about to start doing some work on the fairway down the back very, very soon. So we're using some of this pipe and some poly too. That's in another shed down the bottom, just in a big coil. But yeah, nice. Also have all my quick, easy to access equipment along the side here. Finally hung some stuff up on the wall, put some of my little brackets and stuff up, so we're hanging some more there. I need to get a few more and hang some more, either over this side, up higher, I'm not sure yet, or even possibly just there, to be honest. I could do it right there. And I may move all of these mowers across to the other side, just so it's easier to walk in here and access them super quickly, but nothing beats an organised shed. Like, it feels good, feels great. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Hopefully enjoyed that, something different. I know I enjoyed it, and I'm gonna be enjoying using the shed now. Anyway, bye.